Welcome back to Pratik Academy. In previous video, we have started some numericals from practice set 1.4. Now let's continue with next numericals. So this is numerical number 4 from practice set 1.4. So again, this equation or pair of this equation is not linear initially. We have to convert this equation to linear by some proper adjustment. How to do that? Let's see. So here we can write 1, or here it is already given, then 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to 3 upon 4. This will remain as it is. Here we can write 1 upon 2 into 1 upon 3x plus y. Here again minus 1 upon 2 into bracket 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to minus 1 upon 8. Now find out which is the substitution that will convert this equation into linear equation. So what is the substitution we require here? So our substitution will be, let 1 upon 3x plus y as m and 1 upon 3x minus y as n. Okay, so here this equation becomes simply m plus n is equal to 3 upon 4. Okay, and here 1 upon 2 into m minus 1 upon 2 into n is equal to minus 1 upon 8. So 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2. If we divide by 1 by 2, this will become m minus n is equal to minus 1 upon 4. Okay, so these terms are in fraction. These constants are in fraction, and as we have discussed in our practice set 1.1, fraction, when there is a fraction, calculation becomes difficult. So avoid these fractions. For that purpose, multiply this 4 by m and n, or multiply both sides by 4. Here we will mention multiply by 4 on both sides. Here also same. So what will happen? 4m plus 4n is equal to 3. Call this as equation 1. Here after multiplication, 4m minus 4n is equal to minus 1. Okay, so this is equation number 2. Then what will happen? Here 4m, 4m, 4n minus 4n. So coefficients are same but signs are different for n. So we will add equation 1 and 2. Then what will happen? 4m plus 4n 3 plus 4m minus 4n is equal to minus 1, and we are going with addition here, so don't need to change signs. 4m minus 4n get cancelled, so m plus m, 8m is 3 minus 1 2, so m is final becomes 1 upon 4. This is the value of m here. Now choose this value in equation 1 or 2. So put m is equal to 1 upon 4 in equation 2. What will happen? 4 into m is 1 upon 4 minus 4n is equal to minus yes, we are putting in 2. 4 4 it cancel, so this is 1 only, minus 4n is equal to 1. So when this comes to this right side, it becomes minus, so minus 1 minus 1 minus 2, then minus minus get cancelled, so 4n is equal to 2. Therefore our n is equal to 1 upon 2. So we have got here values of m and here, but this is not the solution as we have discussed earlier. So we will put, or but m is equal to, what is the value of m? It is 1 upon 3x minus, 3x plus y. Okay, this is the value of m, and n is, what is the value of n? N is 1 upon 3x minus y. So put here value of m is 1 upon 4, that is 1 upon 3x plus y, and 1 upon 2 is for 1 upon 3x minus y. So take a reciprocal, so I will write directly 3x plus y is equal to 4, call this equation 3, and here 3x minus y is equal to 2, call this equation 4. So if we look at y, coefficients are same but signs are different. Okay, therefore we will go with addition. So add equation 3 and 4. What will happen after addition? Yes, 3x plus y is equal to 4 plus 3x minus y is equal to 2. We will go with addition, so don't change signs. Plus y minus y get cancelled. 3x plus 3x, 6x is equal to 6. So x is equal to 1. Then put x is equal to 1 in equation 3 or 4. I will put in equation 3. So what will happen? 3 into 1 plus y is equal to 4. So 3 plus y is equal to 4. Y is equal to 4 minus 3, 1. So y, value of y is 1. Therefore y is equal to 1. Therefore solution is x comma y is equal to 1 comma 1. So this is our final solution. In this way we have seen fourth numerical from practice set 1.4. okay, this is our problem number 3 from practice set 1.4. So again, this is not linear equations in given format, so we have to make some substitution. For that purpose I will write here. So this is the last numerical from practice set 1.4. so I am taking little bit faster here. Okay, and here now tell me what is the substitution. Yes, here we will put 1 minus 1 upon x minus 2 as m, and 1 upon y plus 3 as n. Then here it becomes 27m plus 31 n is equal to 85. This is our equation 1. Then here 31m plus 27m n is equal to 89. So this is equation 1 and equation 2. Now these equations are in linear equations in two variable. And what is speciality of these equations? Coefficient of m is becomes coefficient of n here, and coefficient of n, that is 31, becomes coefficient of m. Okay, so let's check this. And we have discussed in practice set 1.1 how to solve these numericals. Okay, For that purpose we have to first go with addition and then go with subtraction. So let's add equation 1 and 2 first. Add 1 and 2. What will happen? 27m plus 31n is equal to 85 plus 31m plus 27m is equal to 89. Do this addition. Yes, what will happen? After this addition we will get 2 plus 1 8, then 5, 58m plus here again 58n is equal to 8 plus 9 14 and 17, so 174. Okay, just 1 minute. So here equation is 58n is equal to 174. If we divide all these by 58, we will get m plus n is equal to 3. So call this as equation number 3 now. Then here we will do addition, then subtraction. Subtract 1 and 2. So what will happen? 27m plus 31n is equal to 85 minus 31m plus 27n is equal to 89. So while doing subtraction, change signs, plus to minus, and here this is plus becomes minus. So here 27 minus 31 is minus 4m plus 31 minus 27, that is plus 4n is equal to here minus 4. So minus m plus n is equal to minus 1 after divide by 4 on both sides, that is m minus n is equal to 1. Okay. Minus sign काय केलं आपण चेंज केलं by multiplying with minus 1 on both sides. So this is our equation number 4. Now what we have to do? Signs are here for n, coefficients are same, signs are different. Therefore add equation 3 and 4. What we will get? M plus n is equal to 3 plus m minus n is equal to 1. After addition, 2m is equal to 4, m is equal to 2. Then put in equation 3, we will get 2 plus n is equal to 3, so n is equal to 1. So we have got here values of f, m and n. So put these values here. So we know that 1 upon x minus 2 is equal to m, and 1 upon y plus 3 is n. So 1 upon x minus 2 is actually 2, and 1 upon y plus 3 is actually 1. So to solve this is equal to 2x minus 2 minus 2 minus 4, here 1 is equal to y plus 3. So what will be the answer here? Minus 4 becomes here plus, so 4 plus 1, 5 is equal to 2x, and 3 becomes minus here, so minus 3 plus 1 minus 2 is equal to y. So x is equal to 5 by 2 here, and y is equal to minus 2. So we got these answers. So this is the final solution. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel and share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching this video.